In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign your own document on DocuSign. Whether you're new to electronic signatures or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through the steps to make the process seamless and straightforward. So, let's get started. First, make sure you're on your homepage in DocuSign. That's your starting point. From there, look for either a Start button or an Agreement option. Once you've found it, go ahead and select Start Now. This initial step will create the framework for your document signing process and get everything rolling. Next, you'll need to click on the Upload button. This is where you can bring your document into the DocuSign environment. You have a couple of choices here. You can either upload a document directly from your desktop or pick an existing template if that suits your needs better. This flexibility is one of DocuSign's strengths, and it allows you to work with your document in a way that's most convenient for you. After your file is uploaded, you should see an option to indicate who will be signing the document. Since you're handling this one yourself, look for the small checkbox that says, "I'm the only signer," and tick it. This is an essential step as it ensures that the document is set up for a single signature, which is yours. Once you've identified yourself as the sole signer, it's time to add some context to your document. You will need to enter an email subject and a short message. This might seem like an extra step, but it's actually quite helpful. The subject and message act as a summary and can remind you why you signed the document or what its purpose is. It's always good practice to add a descriptive subject and message that are clear and concise. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, it's time to click Sign. When you do so, DocuSign will take you through the process of electronically adding your signature to the document. You might be prompted to draw or select your digital signature, which will then be attached to the file. This step essentially finalizes your part of the signing process and transforms your document into a legally binding contract. And there you have it. You've successfully signed your document on DocuSign. Remember, each step is designed to guide you smoothly from start to finish, making the process intuitive and secure. I hope this walkthrough helped clarify how to sign documents on DocuSign. Feel free to refer back to this video whenever you need a quick reminder. Thanks for joining me today, and happy signing.